12.56 sa Toronto ngayon. 12.56. Saan tayo magpalit ang dollar?
Sa bank.
Staying at a hotel near here?
Yes,
or?
near. In 251.
Oh.
Tomorrow, we can...
Then you guys should come here tomorrow morning at 8:15.
8:15 in the morning? Okay. Pwede na yun ba?
Yan na lang.
Here, this is your bus ticket. Okay, I put today.
What's the name in here? What's the name of the
Oh,
station?
this one is Young and Dundas Square. Oh,
Young
and Dundas.
and Dundas
Yeah.
Square.
Ah,
Dundas.
Dundas. Yes.
Dundas Square. Okay, thank you.
Where you need to sit stand?
Mataas. Go up.
Alright. We're here. So we're on the hop on.
Hello everyone, welcome to City Center Toronto's double-decker bus tour. My name is Sergio. Let's have a great tour today. A couple of things as we leave. Don't stand up while the bus is moving. I don't want you to fall. Arms, hands, feet, and phones inside the vehicle at all times. And lastly, a very
So we begin.
thank you very much. Now,
Mag-start na yung ating
today on
tour,
our we
hop
have
on, hop
13
off.
stops. At any
So,
point
nandito tayo ngayon sa
on the
Dundas
bus of the 13 stops,
Station.
please wait your
Arte.
We will gladly let you on
So
the
makikita
bus
mo
today.
guys kung anong meron dito sa kabila at meron dito at meron sa likod at meron sa front. Gamitin mo ang ano mo kasi maganda. 360 mo.
So please keep that in mind.
Dundas!
Please remain seated while the bus is moving. Now let's have a great tour.
Foot Locker!
The first thing that we are going to see, it'll be on the right, and it's called Toronto Metropolitan
Ang
University.
ingay mo dahil.
The second largest university in downtown Toronto, and it's formerly known
Guys, tingnan mo ang mga dahon.
on the windows for a moment.
Ang mga ano, dami.
Quite interesting. And the reason for that is because we have a bird problem here in Toronto.
Yay!
So that's designed to prevent birds from actually running inside.
Ay, may Jollibee! Merong Jollibee pala dahil. May mga constructions pa. Oh, very old building. Wow, nakakatuwa. Ay, wow. Largest hotel in Canada. Chauncey Hotel. O, diba? Yun ang maganda pag nag-hop off, hop on.
On the left, we also have the College Park building. The College
Park.
building was built in the 1930s. And at
Wow,
the time,
may
it was
flag doon,
Toronto's
Canada.
Tallest building. As it was built during the Great Depression, it only got up to 7 stories. Now, on the 7th floor of that building is a theater, and the last person to ever perform at the theater was Frank Sinatra.
Dahil may mga ano, wire cable. So careful tayo sa wire cable. Shoppers. Ayan guys.
Now, once more, ladies and gents,
Courtyard.
from down. Now, as you can see, the clock tower still stood today. That clock tower represents something called the Ontario Heritage Act. It's an act which states you cannot tear that whole building down or renovate it. All we can do is build our road down its nearest area. Okay, cool. I just want to go.
Maitland. Nandito na po tayo sa Maitland Street. Tribes. Charles T. McDonald's.
Yes. Already. Now,
Municipal
the
parking.
street that we're on at the moment is called Yonge Street. And Yonge Street is known to be the longest street in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records. Yonge Street is in fact 1,896 kilometers. It's called
Ito ako, may Jollibee pala dito.
mile. Now, the Mink Mile is one of the most expensive miles in the world. And it's the
Expensive miles.
most expensive shopping district in Canada.
Oh.
The Mink Mile is home to many stores like Gucci, Prada, Chanel, Fleur, and Yacht. Now,
So guys, nandito na po tayo sa city center. As in super city center. Kasi nandito kami sa half off, half on.
More than 24,000 people
Marami tayong madadaanan dito dahil iikot itong bus sa buong entire city. I mean, sa stations na or in na, merong mga tourist spots.
And it's gonna be 85 stories.
May mga significant stops ng kanilang city. Very green. Ang ganda tingnan. Napaka-green.
Now, it's called Fire Engine House number 312. And it's the oldest firehouse still in use today. This firehouse was built in the late
Canada. Oh!
the clock tower for a moment.
Ang bongga naman.
Were used for more than just to tell the time. Back in the day, firefighters would climb all the way to the very top.
Canada and UK, Foursquare Hotel.
Now, on the right, we have
Oo. So, nandito pala yung mga stores nila ng mga branded. Chanel, Keaton. Grabe yung mga brand. Hindi na tayo masyadong familiar. Though mga popular yan, mga sikat.
on the right.
Ang ganda dito.
Hotel. This
Parang
is the
nakaka-relax
very
yung
first
city
five-star
nila.
hotel, built back in 2007. And since then, many great celebrities have stayed here, from Beyonce, Tom Hanks,
Ay.
Jennifer Aniston, Adam
Wow.
Sandler, Justin Bieber, myself, and many, many more.
Wow.
Now, if we please look to the